Hey guys, what's here? Today I'm doing an unboxing of the 68 key mini mechanical keyboard by Magicforce. Greatest. Alright, so let's get right into it. Let me just adjust this camera so I can. There we go. Hey, we're gonna do a review on like keyboard testing. I think it's OUTEMU Blues. Oh, there she is. It's cold. Right. There she is, baby. Magicforce Smart. It comes with this cord, whatever this is, and a media cable. Okay. Take this, unplug it. I'm hype as shit. You have no idea. I've been waiting in this thing for the mail forever, bro. Just got it. It has OUTEMU Blue switches. It's like a Cherry MX Blue equivalent, but hype as shit, dog. There we go. It's 68 keys. I want to see what they mean with the bump. Oh, I like that. It's a weird ass spacebar. Oh, there's the thing I was looking for. I mean, this does not come with the media thing. It comes with this thing. This is this thing to take off the damn switches. How do you take off the spacebar? Alright. Oh, other way. I think I'm doing this right. Alright. Oh, grab the camera. Nice blue switch. Says OUTEMU. My bad. I like the spacebar, but it'll do. I really don't care. Wait, am I doing this in the wrong spot? Let's do it in the middle. My bad. Alright. I'm gonna turn it around. That's how I like it. Will you fit? Damn. Nope. It will not fit. Alright. We're gonna turn it around because I can. That's so much better. It has 4 row function keys. Put that back. How the fuck did that go? Oh, sorry for my language. What the hell? Oh, okay. Like the shift key. It's kind of heavy. So it was like 1.2 pounds or some shit. Alright. It has whatever I forget what these are called. But they should roll up. Dog! No, I don't want to use that. Brother! Tripping balls or something? Motherfucker. Alright. So, I like the thing about this, is the cord, because it's one of the errors key, so it's okay. Plug that bitch in. It has cable management, sort of. Follow this strip. Is it on? USB gaming keyboard, baby. Alright. Alright. There it is. I like my spacebar, by the way. Alright, notepad. Where's the notepad? Notepad. Alright, fuck it. There she is. Alright. Yeah, okay. Wanna know why it doesn't work? Because I never fucking turned it off, bitch. Wait. Is it even plugged in? Oh. I'm a dumbass. Damn key. Wait, let me position it. Has the whatever, it's a little scuffed. What the fucking thing is these? What's up, bro? Alright. Alright. Where the hell is it? Alright. This is what I was looking for. Right. What is it using that? Alright. So what is capable of doing? It has like fucking Chinese motherfucker. Get the FN number key. Where the fuck's the number key? Dog. Alt F4. Don't save. Well, that was my video. I love it. Let me turn this bitch around. Hold on. There's a space bar. It lights up. Oh, that just does that. That's sick. There's no way it's supposed to look like that. I'm just playing with you, dog. It's so fun to game with. Well, that was another video. I mean, I think it was my first or so video, and that was a overview of the Qisan. I think that's it. That's it. Mechanical keyboard 68. Bye! Like and subscribe.